Hi, so this is part of our new series where we do 4 to 5 minutes, some quick checks on a site to show you how quickly you should be auditing your websites. So first thing I want to show is, this is just a random site I've picked, vintage bicycles, bike shop, established 2017. I don't know the owner, I have no affiliation to the site, so it's just a random website I picked on the internet. But let's start in. So the first thing I want to point out is, if you see here, the site isn't on HTTPS, it's on HTTP. If you type in the HTTPS, it doesn't do anything. So the first thing they need to do is move to HTTPS. I can't really think of a reason why you wouldn't be on HTTPS. But yeah, move to secure. You can get a free SSL certificate nowadays. Then you want to check is what happens if you remove the www. I think this is my browser question, but look, nothing happens. It's the same site on the HTTPS. No, it looks like it's so. Yeah, you want one version of the site. In this case, it would be HTTPS www. The non-www, the HTTP non-www, and the HTTP www needs 301 redirecting back to the main site. So yeah, now we've done that, let's move on to some other quick checks. Does the site have a robots file? Robots.txt. Yes, it does, and it has the. It's very basic. It's actually the most basic you can have, but at least it includes a sitemap, which is useful. So let's go and check the sitemap, see if it's got the key information. Yeah, it's got the URLs. It's got last modified date. It's again very basic. They could go to add a couple more features in, but at least it's a sitemap, and at least it's got the last modified date in. So they're two good things. Now let's move on to looking at some more of the advanced stuff. So I've put this through Screaming Frog. There's only 6 URLs, 12 URLs, and they all return 200 response. Fine. The next thing I want to look at is web.dev. It's a website program, whatever you want to call it, by Google. Chuck in the URL, run audit. I should have really done this before I set the video going, but it literally takes a few seconds. It just runs, goes away, scans the data. Actually, it might come back with an error because I didn't put www in. Let me just get the www version just in case it comes back with an error. Let me run it again with switch URL. Let's run it. But even the scores without www in isn't great, but let's give it its fair chance. But yeah, this is a great tool. Like I said, it's by Google. It is by the Lighthouse data, but presented a bit better. So yes, it's run. So 14 for performance, 49 for accessibility, 69 for best practices, and SEO is 82. So yes, loads of quick wins here. So all I did was chuck it in here. And the great thing about this, it tells you what's wrong. So eliminate render blocking resources. If you don't know how to do that, chuck it into Google and ask the question. Proper size images. I'm guessing this image on the homepage is too big, so maybe they could sort that out. Other things, if you look up here, their meta title is just home, which is great. Their favicon is just, so yeah, there's little things here you could sort out. But yeah, so that's it all in list format. Does not use HTTPS, which is fair enough. Another check we'd do is check see if it's on HTTP2, but obviously if this isn't on HTTPS, it can't be on HTTP2. Then you can click on view report and get the granular details. Quickly we'll have a quick look why they failed on some of the SEO was quite low. It's one of the lowest I've seen. It's really hard to fail SEO. It does not have a meta description, so that's quite simple. You can import a meta description, and it's saying the robots.txt file is not valid. It's because for the URL for the sitemap, it doesn't contain HTTP before it. So yeah, it doesn't even pick up on basic things like that. So this is just like a quick audit. So there's several things the site can do. Move to HTTPS, then obviously that enables you to go to HTTP2. Sort out the favicon for the site, sort out the meta title, sort out the meta description, and then just go through this web.dev and try and fix some of the issues. So yeah, that's it. Thanks.